Um, it's not wood. That's not wood. You're probably driving the people inside crazy with that noise. Oh, he's going up the side. The sun's gonna... Looks like a yellow-bellied sapsucker. I'll have to go consult my bird book, but... Oh, we found something. Ooh! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! He's got a hole in the building. Oh, you can't see that because of the sun, I don't think. Oh, that's funny. Oh, there is a hole in the building. I guess it doesn't need to be wood. That's funny. Well, you're a strange little bird. Goodbye.